Imagine an automated system that scanned forums, job boards, and keyword gaps overnight, then surfaced a 5-client niche before breakfast. 2 of those clients paid that same day. I'm Marcus Chan, and in the next minutes, I'll show you the exact lightweight stock and prompts to build that market pulse while you travel.
No way!
Yep, real clients from an automated lead scout. But before the engineering, the mental model. You're not guessing. You're triangulating problems with 3 independent signals and then testing a tiny paid offer.
Okay, quick question. What are those 3 signals? Give me the short version so I have the framework in my head.
Signal 1, community chatter. Forums, subreddits, discords where people keep asking the same question over and over.
Right. Recurring pain, not a one-off rant.
Exactly. Signal 2 is transactional intent. Job posts, Upwork requests, people literally offering money to solve the problem. Signal 3 is SEO gaps, search queries with clear intent but weak or no solution pages.
2 of 3 and you push it up the list?
Right, and add a freshness filter, frequency over the last 30 days, plus a human spot check on the top leads. Automation for scale, humans for signal quality.
Good. Now walk me through the travel-ready stack. I want something replaceable and simple.
Start minimal. A lightweight scraper, Apify actor, a small Python cloud function, or even a SERP scraper into Google Sheets. An automation layer like Make or Zapier, a landing page builder such as Card or Webflow, Stripe for payments, and an LLM-powered chat agent for initial qualification. Centralize scores in a Google Sheet so you can swap pieces without breaking the flow.
Hold up. That still sounds like a lot of tooling for someone on the road. Aren't we trading simplicity for fragility?
Fair point. The trick is modularity. Start with Card plus Zapier plus a basic chat agent. Only add scrapers once you see repeat requests. Think in layers. Validate with the minimum viable pipeline. Then automate the parts that actually save you time.
Got it. Show me an actual prompt you'd use to summarize forum signals so a sheet can digest them.
Summarize the top 20 recent posts about topic into common problems, frequency, and direct user quotes. Output items with a severity score, 1 to 10, and 2 suggested micro-offer ideas. Paste results into the sheet as rows and feed them to your scoring agent.
And the scoring, I always see people underweight intent. What's your weights template? Right. Now, human experience. If outreach is too automated, it sounds spammy. How do you keep it warm?
First touch is automated but personalized. Route responders to a human for the first 10 interactions. Here's a concise outreach prompt. Write a short personalized message referencing user quote and offer a 10-minute paid diagnostic for $9. Keep it empathetic, 50 to 70 words. Include scheduling link and privacy notice. That keeps volume high and tone human.
I like the privacy notice call out. Small ethical step. Always include consent on the landing page and in the diagnostic email.
Absolutely. Now the validation funnel. Build a one-click test page with headline, problem statement, and a $9 diagnostic or $49 pilot option. The chat agent asks 6 clarifying questions, then generates a 300-word finding summary and a short PDF with 3 next steps. If roughly 3 of 10 buyers say the diagnostic helped and 2 request follow-up work, you've validated demand.
So the checklist is scrape and score, pick a top lead, build the one-click page, run $9 diagnostics, manually review the first 10 chats, then scale. That lines up with low-friction validation.
Exactly. Quick income math. Model A, diagnostic funnel, 100 visitors, 5% convert at $9 gives $45 per week per funnel. Run 3 rotated funnels and you're at about $135 a week with only 1 to 3 hours maintenance. Model B, pilot to subscription. 20 pilots at $199 with 20% churn nets roughly $3,200 a month before taxes. Automation slashes your weekly work once the agent handles first touch and billing.
Those are realistic and conservative. I like it. Remind listeners of the main failure modes so they don't over-leverage one pipeline.
3 big pitfalls: noisy false positives from single-source signals, over-automation that damages customer experience, and vendor lock-in. Mitigations require multiple signals, keep a human in the loop for first customers, and build modular pipelines so scrapers, automations, or payments can be swapped fast. Log signal quality weekly and kill funnels that fall below your conversion threshold.
One practical hygiene tip: set conservative automation thresholds and review the first 10 automated conversations yourself. That single step prevents a lot of CX disasters.
All right, here's a 10-minute action you can do right now to start a market pulse. Open a new Google Sheet. Add columns for source, excerpt, date, and type. Run a SERP or forum scraper for 50 recent posts on one niche keyword. Paste results and run this summarization prompt into the sheet. Then run the scoring prompt. If anything scores over 70, spin up a card page with a $9 diagnostic button and connect Stripe. You'll have a real signal in under 24 hours.
If you want templates for the scrapers, scoring prompts, outreach messages, and the launch checklist so you don't reinvent the wheel, Marcus, I'll note we'll point listeners to those resources at the end.
Perfect. That's your quick blueprint. That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses for ready-made prompts, card templates, and the private launch checklist I use in my own projects.
Let's make this actually work for you. Start small, test fast, and keep the human touch in the loop.
Thanks for listening. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.